When darkness falls, we switch on the light. Hi, welcome to the Showcase King channel. Today, my review will be on this rechargeable bicycle lamp. Alright, this is a micro USB charging. The packaging comes together with a charging cable and this metal case bike light. It's fully charged when I first receive it. Okay, let's look at the holder. It's silicone strap, so you can fit different sizes. You can place it onto your handle, your frame. There's a few adjustment levels for you to choose. Okay, there's an indicator over here to show the battery power, how much is left, and then this red light so that as you cycle, you can see from the side. This light is very bright. Okay, it has a few mode. Okay, let me show you. Okay, first mode is on. Second mode is dimmer. Third mode will be two LED light we switch on. This is brighter. Okay, this is the dimmer effect, and this is the strobe effect. Okay, right now I can't show you much. All I can say is I will do another proper review when I bring this light out for a night ride. Oh, forgot to mention that this is where you charge. Okay, this is where you charge the light. So how long this light will last if I switch it on, how many hours, I will also do a review once I start to do my night cycling, and I'll start to check how long this battery will last under a full charge, and also the lumens, okay, how bright it is in the darkest night. I'm going to do a comparison with this together with this Decathlon headlight, which I find is sufficient, but it doesn't have any much mode. It's only on off. It doesn't have a strobe. So although it's a budget, guess how much I bought this. All right, the original price is $16.90. So when I bought it during the November 11 sale, I only paid $7.70. Yes, you're right, $7.70 for this neat looking lamp. Metal casing, hope it's waterproof. So I'm going to test it out. Right, then I'm going to test it out soon. So do stay tuned for my reviews. And if you have not subscribed, do subscribe to my channel. Press the like button so that you can be notified of any updates regarding bicycles, bicycle products, or anything that if you think I can do a review, do send me samples. I accept samples, and I can do a free review for you if you wish. If you think that I can showcase your product on my channel, do send me samples. You can contact me through PM. Okay, and right, that's all I'll say today. Stay tuned, press the like button and subscribe. Thank you.